Hello all traders. Today is Tuesday, 18th of March 2025, and we're going to look at the trade that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price started to go down during the Asian session and found a support, and during the London session and after news release started to go up and retested the previous day close, but it couldn't hold, and the sellers came back and pushed the price lower pre-market. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that the price after New York market opening started to go down sharply. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to come down, and when the price have a deep pullback and retest in the area of the resistance and get rejected, take sell short positions in a well-established downtrend, and if the price find a support and the buyers come back, we take long position in an uptrend channel. So that's what happened, and around 9:40 when I came back, the price was testing the previous day low on Nasdaq and found the support on Dow Jones and S&P 500 and had a pullback. And since the momentum was lost and the buyers came back, I took long position with setup B on Nasdaq, one position, and another long position with setup B on Dow Jones, and also another long position on S&P 500 with setup B, which was this pullback and wave of uptrend. And all these positions were closed on the upper area of the channel with profit. And you can see the statistics on this account, which was positive, showing profit factor of 99, which is infinite because we had 100% win rate from the 3 long positions taken, with the average winning trades that were 526, and the largest winning trade was $855. So that's a summary of the trades I have taken on some of the futures prop firm accounts. And for the CFD prop firm account, I will update you on Friday. So I hope these trades taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures and CFD prop firm accounts are useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.